In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an event calendar in Webflow. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elf-site platform. Once you click to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then you see this massive list of widgets that you can choose from. I want you to focus on the tools section right here, and if you go down a bit, you'll see event calendar right here. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the event calendar widget page. From here, click on create widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the event calendar template section. So on the left hand side, you have all the different templates that are available, and on the right hand side, you have a fully interactive and live preview of what the selected template will look like on your Webflow website. Now bear in mind that all these templates are fully customizable both in terms of design and functionality, so don't worry about the initial look just yet. We can customize pretty much anything you can see on the screen. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. In my particular case, I'm going to go with this team game schedule template, and then once you selected the template you want to go with, go ahead and click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this section, which is where we can start customizing your event calendar to your liking. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add all the different events they want as part of your calendar. You have two different options to do that. You can either add all the events manually by clicking on this here, or you can simply connect your widget to the Google Calendar and it will automatically feed to the widget. Now in my particular case, I prefer to manage the events manually, so I'm going to go over the first option right here, and then this is where you can manage all the different events, upcoming or previous. So as you can see, in my particular case, I have a bunch of events here by default. So if you want to add a new event, click on add event here and then go out and fill this in. So you have the event name here, when it starts, when it ends. If it's all day, simply enable this. Then you have the time zone, and then if the event is repeating, so for example, if it's every week, click here and then click on weekly. So for example, on Sunday, and then here's the description, image, event type, venue, tags, and so forth. It's all very self-explanatory. I'm not going to go for everything in super deep detail. I just want to show you what's possible. Then simply go ahead and click on done right here in the top right corner of the screen, and you'll see the event added to the event calendar. In my particular case, I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to stick with the current events that I have here by default. If you want to delete these, by the way, click on the actions right here and then click on delete. You can also hide and duplicate them as well. Then at the bottom here, you also see past events. If you want to display any events that have already happened, then this is where you do that. You also have event types, venues, hosts, and so forth. Once you're done with adding all the events that you want to have on your event calendar, on the left hand side you also see layout, filters, style, and settings. These are some additional customizations you can take advantage of to further customize your event calendar. So in terms of layout right here, the current one that we have is list, but you can change that to grid, masonry, week, month, slider, and day. As you can see, they all have different customizations you can take advantage of at the bottom here. In my particular case, I'm going to stick to list right here, and then I'm going to keep this as it is by default. Then at the bottom here, you can also customize the heading, the event elements, as well as the past events. Then in terms of filters here, you can add a search bar. If you have loads of different events and you want people to be able to search for the event that they're looking for, you can also enable dates right here, or the event type, and so forth. Then in terms of style, this is where you can customize the overall design of the calendar. So for example, the background here, we can change the color of it, so make it yellow. In my case, I'm going to keep it white like this, like it was by default, but it can also be a gradient, image, and a video. In my case though, I'm going to keep it to color. I'm going to click on done right here, and then you have settings down here. And yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of customizations. Take your time customizing your calendar, make it look as good as possible, and once you're done with that, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your widget will be saved up. Bear in mind, you can always come back at any point in the future and make any small tweaks that you want to the calendar. You never have to start from scratch ever again. But yeah, once you're on this page here, click on publish in the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elf-site, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Do bear in mind, it does come with some Elf-site branding, so if you want your widget to be 100% ad free, then I would recommend it to go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options they can choose from, and if you decide to subscribe annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is very nice. So yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your event calendar widget. It will look just like this. From here, click on copy code, and let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Webflow editor right here, and then what I've done is actually gone ahead and added a brand new section, which is where I want my event calendar to go. In your particular case, you don't need to have a new section. You can add it as part of any existing section on your Webflow website. Simply go ahead and select the section that you want your event calendar to go to, and then click on this plus icon here in the top left corner of the screen to add element. And the element that you want to add is called code embed. So simply search for code right here on the top, click on code embed, and then you'll see this window open up. Here, simply paste the code we just copied previously from Elfside, click on save and close, and go ahead and publish the changes to Webflow. Give it a couple of seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and refresh our website preview. There we go, and give it a couple of seconds to load now, and here is our event calendar. As you can see, it looks super nice and clean, and it's fully interactive. This down here is the little Elfside branding that I talked about in the plans page. If this is too much of a bother for you, you can get rid of it automatically by opting for one of their premium plans. Don't worry about this panel they see right here on the top. This is only visible by you just in case you want to go make any changes to Elfside at any point in the future. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add an event calendar in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.